Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to change keyboard language on Android 16. Let's begin. In order to change keyboard language, first you want to go to the settings, then scroll almost all the way down and head into System. In the system you want to go to your keyboard and on-screen keyboard. If you have many keyboards, then you want to choose your keyboards. For me, it's the Gboard keyboard. So now we want to go to Languages, and now we can add a custom keyboard. So now, for no reason at all, I will go with Polish keyboard. We have the ability to add different options. This is the most popular one. We can also manually draw in the letters, or we can try out the different layouts of our keyboards. We can also enable or disable multilingual typing. So if we want to have both languages basically active at the same time. I will now leave this, I will hit done. And now if we go, for example, to the search bar, you can see that we have N and PL. So now we can hold, and you can switch from English to Polish keyboard. Or we can hold once again in order to change from Polish to English keyboard. I did set a lot of keyboards, right? Yeah, anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like, subscribe, and maybe leave a comment using your keyboard. Thanks for watching.